We are moving into our new warehouse space and we are packing everything up. So I'm about to take this to the back. I am very excited because we have outgrown this space and we are right next to each other and we need more space, and I'm very excited. We're growing like crazy, and so I'm really excited for the future and I can't wait to see what's in store. But yeah, but we got to move today and it's gonna be a little stressful, so let's get going and moving. Working hard. Hey guys, welcome to my crib. Come on in. It's not my crib, it's my warehouse, but come on in. All right, you guys, so I am going to do an unofficial tour of our warehouse. We just moved in, so I don't have any furniture yet, but we are still in the process of doing that, and I'm really excited because we outgrew our old space in a little over a year. So this is our new space, and I'm loving it so far. So come on in, let's look and see what's going on here at the Miche headquarters. So this is our front area. I don't know what you call it, but we have our two little signs here that I'm not sure where we're gonna put yet, but we are going to have like a pop-up shop where you can come shop some products right here in our headquarters. It's coming soon, as you can see. There's nothing here yet. So come on, let's go over here to our bathroom. So if you guys ever, have the urge, you can use our bathroom here, and we're still trying to decorate it, so don't really look too much into it right now. It's still a work in progress. All right, come on. Over here is going to be our like cubicle station, but right now I have these two desks here because you guys know what's going on. It's COVID, and my kids are here. We have to homeschool and work at the same time, so I have two desks here for my kids. My 6-year-old sits here and my 10-year-old is here, and they do their work and we monitor them and we get everything done while multitasking. So just set up their little work area here, and this is one of our offices. This is where our operations manager sits, but she's not sitting today. She's clearly running around, but this is her office. And as you guys can see, like I said, we don't have anything set up yet. She has no chairs. Still stuff on the floor, but we're working on it because we're still trying to get your orders out and decorate and get your furniture all at the same time. So that is the first office. Then this is a very special, important office right here. You guys probably know who he is. This is the COO, my husband, Jonathan's office, and it's a work in progress again. You want to say hi to people?
Hi.
Michelle, tell us one thing that Jonathan always says here at Miche.
What did he say?
He ain't got time, so let's go to the next office.
Thank you so much. I appreciate
I was like,
it.
what? I don't know what he said.
Thank you for my
Yeah, he's
cameo.
always busy. I mean, I'm busy too, but he's like working on really some important things here. So we'll leave him alone.
Love y'all.
He
Peace.
put his shoes
Adios.
back on because he took them off, but he gets real comfortable here at work.
Hey.
You want me to close the door?
That'd be great. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, good thing he has his glass. We can still see him. really wants us to leave.
All right, come on, we're gonna go down the hall now. But you guys know that we formulate all our products here. And so I'm gonna show you my lab. It's not set up yet. I keep saying that, but this is where I formulate. Come on in, my lab. It's a mess. But there's what do you call it when there's organization to the chaos? What do you call it? Something madness. You know what I'm saying. Anyway, so this is where I formulate. I have all my ingredients here. I'm not gonna show you guys every single ingredient, but I have some more stuff over here. I have my beakers where I mix things. Oh, I even have some flax seeds in here because I infuse our product with flax seeds. And then I'm gonna put some shelves over here. And then once everything's organized, we're gonna have all our products, all our ingredients nice and organized and get to work. So this is my lab. Come on over to my office. What's laughing?
Your hand. You give me real auntie vibes.
Come on, baby. Come to my office. Turn the light off. I have important stuff here, so be careful. Like now, this is my office, and this is what I have so far. This is my desk, and it's a mess. But yeah, so I formulate products, I test them out, I have them on my desk here, I see how I like them. I take lots of notes in all these workbooks and notebooks here with all my formulas. Yeah, nothing too special here. Anyway, let's get out of here. Let's go down to the bathroom. Oh wait, no, you don't need that. All right, so these are bathrooms. We have a men's bathroom and a women's bathroom. We won't go into there because you know what's in the bathroom, but that's our bathrooms. All right. I guess this is the kitchen here. This is our employee kitchenette. And everyone, no one is starved here. Everyone eats. They have snacks, you know. We got the good snacks, the Belvita and all that.
Belvita.
And let's see, we wash our dishes here. We have our Keurig, so in case you're a little tired, get some coffee, all that. And our fridge is coming, so we are using this fridge for right now, but don't worry about that. But the fridge is coming. So, and our tables and all our furniture. So yeah, so this is the open space here. This will be like an employee lounge over there and some other stuff. We haven't decided fully yet. All right, come into this room. So this is another office. This is where our customer service is and marketing. So she's gone for the day, but this is where she sits. So the person behind the camera, this is her office. This is our videographer, editor. This is her wonderful office where she gets a lot of work done, as you can see. Right? You get a lot of work done here?
I sure do.
What you got on here? She has a candle where she lights her candles in the office. It smells good. What else you got? Oh, she's a Redskins fan.
But we now say Washington football team.
Yes.
So I have to get rid of it. Thank
All
you for
Redskins.
keeping me accountable.
Yes, and this is her beautiful office. So this is a really special space that we've put together. This is our studio where we're gonna get a lot of filming done, a lot of content, where we do our Miche Mondays now. So it is very white and we don't have decorations yet, but it's a work in progress. So I'm gonna just come on in a little bit. Let me show you our new sink that we have here. I thought it was gonna be hooked up for tonight, but it's not. But it's a wonderful sink where we're gonna wash hair and we're gonna get all in. We're gonna use our shampoo and do some tutorials for you guys. And behind you or next to you is our dryer. And we're gonna dry hair, and we're gonna have a whole salon studio in here, which is gonna be great. I can't wait. If you have not tuned into Miche Monday, we go live every Monday evening. Check it out. Hair tutorials, demos, giveaways, all that. Tune in. So this is where all the action happens, and I'm not gonna show you guys too much detail because we still gotta keep it, you know, a secret, kinda. But I'm just gonna give you like an overview really quickly of our warehouse space, where all the products, where we make the products. So this is where we make the products, all the magic happens, like I said. we literally make everything from scratch. So like from sourcing ingredients, melting the ingredients, heating it up, everything happens here. Pumping, labeling, everything. So let me show you a little bit more. Come on. All right, you guys, remember in the beginning of the tour I said our operations manager, and she wasn't in her office? I found her. She's here. There she is. Hey, you want to say hi to people? There she is. This is our shipping station where we ship our products. And our products are all on the shelf, so it's nice and organized. And you guys can see, or when they're packing your products, they can see exactly what products to get. We just ran a sale, and so we're a little short right now, but yeah. And these are our packages. We wait here for the USPS to pick them up, and they come pick it up every day. Look at all this product, you guys, on the floor. We're shipping this all out. This is where we store our boxes and water, because we need water to make products. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much everything. That is the end of our warehouse tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Got a little sneak peek into the Miche warehouse and what we do here. Everyone's pretty much gone for the day, so you didn't get to see everyone, but this is where we make your products, y'all. So thank you so much for watching. I think it's time for you to get out now. Y'all don't have to go home, but you gotta get up out of here. So I will see y'all later. Come on, time to go. We have work to do.